Sean from the Lark Branch Library. Today we're going to make a Thankful Wreath craft. So be sure to pick up your Grab-n-Go Kit today. The Grab-n-Go Kit includes one foam ring, 12 foam leaves, 4 foam acorns, 1 foam heart, one leaf card, 6 inches of string, a bow, and some adhesive. So now we're going to make the craft. So first thing is we get the foam heart, use the adhesive, and put the foam heart on. So because that'll tell us where the top of the wreath is. And then the string and the foam heart. You put the string behind the foam heart. Hold on, string got loose. Put that string down. And then now you have the foam heart in the center. So then the next thing you do is you put a leaf beside it. I put a small leaf, but you could put one of the bigger leaves, your choice. Whatever you want to do. Then put another leaf. And then another small leaf. Then one more small leaf. And then you can put the I'm thankful card, the leaf card. And you can write what you're thankful inside the card. I did. I wrote my family. And you want to line this up where it's across from the foam heart. So there, we put that there. And then we're going to put another leaf. Put one of the larger ones. And then you can put another large leaf here. Then smaller leaf right here. And then I can put on the acorns. So put one acorn there. Then skip a few leaves, put on the other acorn. I guess you can put the acorns wherever you want to, but I thought, just one acorn, then another, then a leaf, then the other acorn. I thought that would be nice, but you know, whatever you want to do with the acorns, it's your craft. And then put on another acorn. Put an acorn there. Where's my... one of my acorns just disappeared. Well, that's okay. It'll turn up later if it won't. Or I can have it with three acorns. Oh, there it is. It was just hiding. And then you put on the last acorn. There. And then you have the bow, and if you don't want to, you don't have to put it on, but you can. I think I've got room for one more little leaf. I'm going to put one more little leaf on. And so it looks like I might end up with some leftover leaves, but that's okay. Also, I could put some more on. I could just put this little leaf in here. And I'll just put that leaf there on top of another leaf. It'll be good there. And now we're finished with the craft. It should look like this when we're done. Thank you for watching the video, and be on the lookout for next Wednesday's Grab and Go craft. Bye.